Yes, I believe that all of us see what happened. On has we put these innocent 3 people. I don't understand what is happening in Igbo land. Look at the family. This picture that you are seeing on the screen is the family of this one of the guy they slaughtered. Either this guy, that first one where they slaughtered. This guy did on the main road. Their family are lamenting. Their family are crying. Her mother they cry. Her grandmama they cry. Then they cry. Then the talk said this guy got to outside work last week. He went to outside work, and those security came that place, bring all of them from the house, from the building where they build, bring all of them outside. When they bring them outside, then open fire, call them unknown gunmen, call them Biafra, IPOP, then slaughter innocent people without any evidence that these people are bad, without no single weapon. What is happening in this generation? What kind of security? What kind of security when they bring to us in this East? Governor Soludo, what kind of security are you bringing to us in this East? Governor Soludo, do you want this thing to happen in Anambra State, killing innocent youth? Do you want this thing to start happening in Anambra State? I say it before that I'm not against to fight insecurity, because everybody is not happy for the insecurity that is happening in Igbo land. Nobody is happy. I myself am not happy for the insecurity that is happening in Igbo land. But you will not use because of the insecurity slaughtering innocent people. Look at their dead body here. Look at their dead body. Look at their family. In the next video I will post, I believe in God, before 1 hour right now, I will post the video. You will see what one of his brother, what in his brother talk. These people you are seeing is the people that came to tell their mama sorry. Their son went to outside work, and the security that Governor Soludo brought to Anambra State slaughtered them. Soludo, you are doing a good work in Anambra State. But Soludo, you need to be very careful. Soludo, Anambra State people vote for you. We vote for you. You do not leak election. You won governor election in Anambra State. Soludo, you won. People love you for you to become governor of Anambra State. But Soludo, this thing will give you bad name. I'm telling you the truth. This thing will give you bad name. If you continue this thing, if you don't know what to do about this thing, it will give you bad name as the governor of IMO State, Hope Uzodimma. The Hope Uzodimma, he's not the one that won the election. He failed the election, they carry him, push for the seat. He's not the one that won the election. But Governor Soludo, you won the election on your own. Unless if you want people of Anambra to hate you, they will not vote for you. Unless you want to leak election, you will leak, because everything is possible for all you politicians. Governor Soludo, not the kind of security you are bringing in Igbo land. Yesterday, 2 days ago, I'm in protest against Onosebuchasim innocent youth in Imo State. The other guy, the security of outside Okobo, I know, now the same outside Okobo. Now them, most of them, now then they follow the work this thing now. Any youth wait and see, they go call them IPOP, Biafra, or non-government. Then go shoot that person without no single evidence that this person is evil. How can I follow this thing not now? They may carry that clothes, tie these people, carry all this juju something, tie their body, talk say na non-government, they carry juju put for their body. Many people may believe. Many people may believe. And you, that they are against what I'm saying, when this kind of thing will happen to you, you will understand why I'm doing this video. Most of you are happy. Nga ime video na asị ihe Soludo mere adọrọ mma. Ụna bịara abịa akọ ogologo akụkọ. Ọ bụrụ na o mee your brother, ya dịkwa gị mma. Ọ bụrụ na o mee ego, ya dịkwa gị mma. I'm here to tell Soludo, Governor Soludo, all these boys that you brought in Igbo land to fight insecurity. Governor Soludo, I want you to check them well. Warn them. Because if they continue this thing, Soludo, it will destroy your image. It will destroy your image. And we don't want to hear this again in Anambra State. It's an abomination. They tell those boys to come out from that building. They come out. They're telling them, you people are not government. I can't do watcher. Now walk where we come. Now waiting one of his brother talk. I go play the video after I finish this live video. They open fire. Kill them. They are killing, rejoicing. Hey. They are rejoicing, speaking Akwa Ibom language or Rivers language. Rejoicing. They kill innocent people rejoicing. And even though some people, those people where they die their eye, some innocent people did that place. Why are you people doing this thing? Why are you people killing the innocent one? Why? I'm not against for you people to fight insecurity. Fight insecurity. If you see bad people, if you see those people where they cause insecurity in Igbo land, catch them, punish them, carry them, go. But innocent people, no. It's not good. I will end this video here. But watch the next video I will post in this page in next 1 hour or 2 hours. Watch the next video and make sure that you share it. Make sure that you share it. Governor Soludo. You are doing a good work, but don't allow this thing to destroy your image. And I'm not happy for what happened. You need to be very careful for these security people. Yes, I'm saying it again that I started Okobo. Make him stop killing innocent Igbo youth. Hope Uzodinma, make him stop killing innocent Igbo youth. Everybody saw how they killed this innocent boy. This guy, he went to go and fetch water. They hold him. The guy tell them, how come you can't shoot them? They carry gun, butcher the boy head. And the video is flying online. Everybody keep quiet. And people keep silent. All of you keep silent because nobody your brother. Maybe the boy is from poor family. Nobody can speak for him. But if nobody can speak for him, God will speak for him. If this boy is from the Elise family now, or if this boy is from one of the politician family, maybe he's from one of the strong politicians in East, yeah, you will see how they will start fight against it, fight for injustice. But everybody keeps silent the way they slaughter this innocent boy. Listen, insecurity is too much in this East. I'm not in support of it. I'm in support for government to fight against insecurity. But don't use because of we are fighting insecurity, killing innocent youth, calling them IPOP and Biafra and unknown government, killing them like that. No, it's not good. If you want to fight unknown government, go and fight them. Yes, but don't use because of you are fighting unknown government and you will be killing innocent Igbo youth, calling him IPOP and Biafra, killing him. No. If this kind of thing happened to your son, will you be happy? If they accuse your son and kill your son where they're innocent, will you be happy? If they kill one of your sons like this, will you be happy? The young man went to go and fetch water. On his way coming, they killed him. And thank God, now them record it. God wants to expose them. They record it by themselves. If you say they don't record it, we will not know what is happening. Because a lot of people have been complaining what is going on in Imo State. A lot of people are complaining what is going on in Imo State, but we don't know. But God wants to expose them. That is why they use their hand, record it and post it online. And everybody are keeping silent. I know that what I'm doing is risk, yes. Yes, in a time like this, who will come out to speak against the evil that is happening in the land? In the Bible, when the king do what he know they're good, now prophet will stand up and tell him to stop it. If you continue it, God will punish you. Yes, I will not keep silent. See my brothers, my sisters dying like that. And this is a warning to all these insecurities that are in this east, saying they are fighting unknown government. I'm not in support of insecurity. You people continue the work where you want to do, but don't use because of that killing innocent people, calling them Biafra because they are Igbos. Any Igbo youth where you see now IPOP, now non-government, you will kill that person. Know that all these innocent people where you are killing, they are abroad, will still fight against you, fight against your generation. Time will come when you will die. Highest in the next 50 years, 70 years, most of you may not be alive. Your children will be suffering this innocent blood that you have killed. And the Governor Soludo, you are doing a good work in Anambra State. But those your security, because of power, poor people. No, it's not good. Do a good job. If you know the work the government call you to do that job, but don't use because of that to do evil.